Hey guys, Andrew from McNasty Customz here. What I have in my hand here is the factory floor plug for your RZR. And what I have here is the cure for it. This is the cure. Okay? So any of you guys know they do any kind of water crossing, stream crossings, mud driving, anything like that, anything where water comes into the floor and so on, and you can't get the water out of the floor quick enough is what the problem is. So you drive forward a little bit, the water is sloshing back and forth, it's sloshing into your boots, it's sloshing onto your seat. Now you're sitting in the wet for the rest of the ride. You got to take your gloves off, reach down into the pan, you got to unplug it, wait for it to drain, plug it back in. Now if you turn and you're going into another one, you got to do the whole thing over again. With our floor plates, you no longer have to do that. Our pan kit is pretty cool. So basically what you do is, here's your plug in your floor. Our plates sit directly on top of them, so you remove your plug, so the hole's in the floor, and you bolt these in right on with factory bolts. They fit right in here. They fit the 1000 platform. They come powder coated any color you want, free shipping. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you a video on how well these things work. So we're going to put 5 gallons of water into the factory floor with the cap locked into place, and we're going to put 40 gallons of water through the driver's side with our plate installed. So we can do 40 gallons in the time it takes 5 gallons to drain out. That's how fast you can drain your floors. You can drive into a puddle and slowly drive out. By the time you're out of the puddle, it's drained. You didn't reach in, you didn't unplug anything. And then another real problem we seem to have with these things for some reason is every time we go to the car wash, every time we wash our buggy, we lose these stupid things. We put them in the cup holders, they blow around, we wash, we put them up on the top of the power washer, we clean it, we forget them there. So these things are constantly costing us money. Somebody in the crew, every single time without fail, loses one of these caps. So this eliminates that. So now you can get our plates delivered, free shipping, powder coated any color, they look good and they work well. We're going to show you a quick video, we're going to show you from different angles, we're going to show you how well these things actually do work. McNastyCustomz.com. Alright guys, so what we got here is on the driver's side we have our McNasty floor pan bolted in, and on the passenger side we have the stock hole. You can see me put my hand in and out of it, so that's completely opened. This is a regular plug. We're going to put it in place, lock it in. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add the water and we're going to show you exactly how fast this works. These are full 5-gallon pails. I'm going to put 5 gallons in the passenger side and I'm going to keep continuously dumping into the driver's side so you can see how fast these drain. Here we go. Ready? 5 gallons. Here we go. 5 gallons in the driver's side is pretty much empty. 10 gallons in the driver's side. 15 gallons in the driver's side. 20 gallons in the driver's side. I'm going to leave this here. $20 gallons completely gone in the driver's side. We're still on the passenger side, still about half of what was left. Now what happens is when you drive forward, this slops back and forth. And this is how long it takes. This is the difference. 5 gallons on the passenger side, 20 gallons. So that'll do about 40 gallons of water versus 5. This is how much faster the draining is. Still waiting for the passenger side to drain completely. There's about a half a gallon left. Still draining. Still draining. Still draining. And a little bit more. That's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. That's your drain. So that's how much of a difference. I can move 40 gallons of water with the McNasty guards versus 5 gallons in the same amount of time. So you can drive up, that'll fill with water, it won't slosh, it'll completely drain out. You won't get your rear end. You don't have to. You won't get anything in the boots. You won't have any water splashing back and forth. You won't have to reach into the cold water. You won't have to remove drain plugs. And this during the winter time is a big deal for a lot of people. This is just incredible the amount this does. It's going to be very important for a lot of you guys who actually use your buggies, trail ride it, go through puddles, streams, and have any kind of situation with water in the floor. This is going to be ideal for you guys, and nobody else has anything like this on the market.